Keeping your home, car, or workspace clean doesn't have to be a hassle, and that's where cordless hand vacuums come in. Compact, lightweight, and powerful, they give you the freedom to tackle dirt, crumbs, and pet hair without dragging around a bulky machine or dealing with tangled cords. In this video, we're breaking down the best cordless hand vacuums available on Amazon. Let's dive in and find the one that's perfect for you. Number 1. Shark Cordless Hand Vacuum. If you've ever wished for a vacuum that can handle quick messes without the hassle of cords, the Shark Cordless Hand Vacuum might be exactly what you need. This little powerhouse is designed for those everyday moments when crumbs, dirt, or pet hair just appear out of nowhere. At just 2.8 pounds, it's lightweight and incredibly easy to carry around, whether you're cleaning your car, your couch, or those hard-to-reach corners at home. What really stands out is the suction. With its dual cyclonic air streams, you'll notice just how powerful this compact vacuum really is. It doesn't just clean the surface, it digs in and gets rid of the dirt you don't see. Plus, the filter and motor are built to last, so you're getting consistent performance every time. I also love how versatile it is. You get a crevice tool, a scrubbing brush, and even a self-cleaning pet power brush, which makes tackling fur so much easier. And when you're done, the Clean Touch dirt ejector lets you empty it without ever touching the mess. This vacuum is small, mighty, and built for convenience. Number 2. RELIDOL Cordless Hand Vacuum. If you're tired of battling stubborn pet hair and messy cleanups, the RELIDOL Cordless Hand Vacuum might just become your new best friend. This vacuum is designed specifically with pet owners in mind, and it shows from the moment you turn it on. With a built-in automatic roller brush, it tackles pet hair, cat litter, and dirt in seconds, making it perfect for couches, carpets, and even car interior. The suction is where this vacuum really shines. With up to 20,000 PA of power and dual cleaning modes, you can easily switch between quick everyday touch-ups and deep cleaning. The 10,400 mAh battery gives you 18 to 32 minutes of runtime, and thanks to Type-C fast charging, you can be fully powered in just 2.5 hours. The extra-large 720 ml dustbin means you won't be stopping to empty it constantly, which makes cleaning so much faster. I also love the dual filtration system. With washable HEPA and steel filters, it keeps the suction strong and the air fresh. Number 3. Black+Decker Cordless Hand Vacuum. If you've been searching for a reliable handheld vacuum that's both powerful and convenient, the Black+Decker Cordless Hand Vacuum is a solid choice. Powered by a 16V Max lithium-ion battery, it delivers impressive suction, giving you the strength you need for quick cleanups around the house or in your car. Whether it's dirt trapped in from outside, crumbs on the couch, or pet hair in the back seat, this little vacuum handles it with ease. What makes it especially handy is the cordless design. You can grab it and go without worrying about outlets or tangled cords, and because it's lightweight, it's comfortable to carry and maneuver. The rotating slim nozzle makes it easy to reach into tight spaces, and when you need even more precision, the pull-out crevice tool helps you get between cushions or up onto shelves where dust loves to hide. Its compact design means it's easy to store, yet powerful enough to use daily. Number 4. Blestan Cordless Hand Vacuum. If you've been looking for a compact yet powerful handheld vacuum that can handle quick cleanups anywhere, the Blestan Cordless Hand Vacuum is one you'll want to check out. With upgraded cyclonic suction power up to 9 kPa, it gives you 2 modes to tackle everything from everyday crumbs and pet hair to cobwebs in corners or dirt in your car seats. It's lightweight at just 1.6 pounds, which makes it super easy to carry around, and the cordless design means you won't be wrestling with tangled cords while trying to clean tight spaces. The 12-ounce dustbin is surprisingly spacious for such a small device, so you won't need to stop constantly to empty it. Plus, the 2000 mAh lithium-ion batteries give you up to 30 minutes of runtime, and with quick charging, you're ready to go again in just over 3 hours. The built-in LED light is a nice touch for cleaning in dark areas like under seats or in cabinets.
All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.